Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to buy something on the Facebook Marketplace. So here you have all these kinds of items. Let's for now do buying. Okay, let's go back. Here you can search the marketplace. Let's do a bike. Very broad. So this looks like a nice bike, for example. And here you can message the seller. So you can say it's $200 and you can say like, no, I want to pay $50, and you can message them. Then you get your seller information, and here you see, if you go back just to the marketplace, let's go back to the marketplace. Oops. So let's go back to the marketplace. Here it is, and here you click on buying. Here you will see your recent activities. So if you message someone, your offers you have made. So if you want to offer for like $50 and it's 200, you can get it cheaper. Purchased orders, you can see the ones you saved, like your bookmarks. And that is it for today. So it's very easy to buy one. So thank you.